Good morning, students. I am Professor A.P. Patil from ENTC department. I am here to make you aware about your electives that you are going to adopt in the coming semester. I hope you are enjoying your vacation as well as you are busy with your internships also. But now it's a correct time to select your elective based on your own interest. I will talk about your PEC program elective, that is agricultural electronics, is actually offered as a elective 5. It is having 2 credits for theory and 1 credit for practical, and it is having lab also. So as you know, we have identified different domains, and from that domains, it's a elective offered. My course, that is agricultural electronics, it is from energy and automation. Uh, this is, as I told you, total 3 credits are there, 2 for theory and 1 for practical. You will be having total 100 marks evaluation scheme, i.e. 20 marks MT 30 and ET 50 regular pattern. Then for this subject you must have basic knowledge, that is of basic electronics, instrumentation control systems, and some part of the image processing also, it is essential. Now these are the course objectives that we need to set here. What is the course objective here? To inculcate the ability to recognize environmental problems and provide solutions to the agriculture sector. Second objective stated is the to give you an overview of the technology of advanced topics like DAS, then SCADA and virtual instrumentation. Third objective is to enable students to select practices needed to develop and implement the engineering automation for the agriculture sector. And then last objective is the to introduce students with greenhouse technology and uh, role of electronics governance in the under this agriculture electronics. Okay, these are the course objectives. From these certain outcomes we are expecting after completion of this course, that is students, that you will be able to describe the roles of computers and virtual instrumentation. Then you will be able to provide communications solution for interpreting environmental parameters with electronic systems, then describe instrument technology used in agriculture and apply knowledge of electronics in agriculture. And finally, fourth outcome will be describe the greenhouse technology and role of electronics governance. Now, to get these outcomes, our syllabus is framed like that. You are having total 4 units for this. First unit is just the introductory part, introduction to agricultural electronics. So here we are trying to define scope of ENTC engineering in the agriculture domain, because actually it's a totally new domain. Agriculture sector up till now you have never came across, but now we'll introduce that, and the scope of you people, that is scope of ENTC engineer, it will be defined clearly. Then how to get automation in agriculture, that is our second unit. In that we'll try to learn about smart irrigation systems, then automated harvesting systems, then greenhouse, history of modeling and control of greenhouse, how to control that greenhouse environment, then identification of control and manipulation variables for greenhouse, that is about the greenhouse. Then last, again it's a very good application of drones in agriculture. Nowadays you know that drones are used everywhere, so here also in agriculture we are trying to use drones, pesticides or harvesting or like that, some applications drones are very much useful. Okay, this is the second unit. Then third unit, it is for various diseases with which are taking place in crops. So unit third is crop disease detection in agriculture. So it's very good topic actually. So here in mainly image processing will be used. So how to use that image processing in agriculture for crop disease identification. Then machine learning models which are used for crop disease prediction. and future farming using AI, that is the artificial intelligence. So this unit is actually totally new, because nowadays you know that it's a era of artificial intelligence. So this topic or this unit will deal with that in detail. So it's very interesting to study this third unit. It's a real-time application. You will get good knowledge from this. And then finally, we'll talk about applications and electronic governance. In that, first topic is the crop preservation, how to preserve the crop. Then importance of preservation of various commodities and parts of plants. Then different drying processes for preservation, how to done that. And then variable identifications for the drying process, then electronic control system for the grape drying process. Okay, this is a typical application. We'll study about it, how to dry the grapes. Then next topic here is the electronic governance, e-governance we call it as, the governance products and services in agriculture sector. And then what is the role of electronics governance in agriculture sector? See, at each and every stage of agriculture, now we can support. That is, right from the seeding, then that cultivation, or different applications or different processes involved in that agriculture, we can help them. Even finally, also after that. For selling the products in the market, also how to do that. So everything will come under this e-governance. Everything will be monitored and it will be controlled also by means of electronic units. So here basic knowledge required is the, as I told you, instrumentation and control system. Then for that, these are the reference and textbooks. This Johnson's book, actually Curtis Johnson, it's a very good book, Process Control Instrument Technology. And then Boyer's book, SCADA, Supervisor Control and Data Acquisition. Then these are the various reference books that we are referring. Then this is about the lab that you are going to do. As I told you, 1 credit is there, 2 hours practical will be there, and there will be only a term work. There is no practical and oral examination for this. Only there will be a term work for 25 marks. So these are the objectives set for this laboratory, understanding the basic principles of electronics and how they can be applied in the context of agriculture. Then familiarizing students with the latest development in the agricultural electronics, such as sensors, monitoring systems, precision agriculture technologies. Then providing students with hands-on experience in designing, building and testing electronic systems for agriculture application. And then how to analyze the data from electronic system and use it to make informed decisions related to the crop management. Okay, so these are the 4 objectives set for this lab. Then outcomes will be like that: illustrate various sensors used for automation in agriculture, then analyze data from electronic systems and use it to make informed decisions related to the crop management, and then finally demonstrate the use of drone in agriculture. So practicals are very good. So a total 4 assignment they are compulsory from this, and any 2 assignments from 5, 6, 7 they can be chosen by students. So this is the list of experiment that you are going to do in the form of assignment. As I told you, there will be term for this. So automation in agriculture, in that 3 sub points are there: interfacing moisture sensor, then interfacing temperature sensor, and soil nutrient detection using sensor based system. So these are the 1A, B, C, 3 parts are there. And then second will be based on these above 3 experiments, you want to suggest one integrated approach for automation in farming. So this is the self study type, that is you will perform the experiment, then you will give the solution for that. Then third will be the crop disease identification. In that 3 stages or 3 points are mentioned, that is age detection using image processing, disease detection using image processing, and weather prediction for farming using image processing. So these are the 3 sub points under this third experiment. Then fourth will be obviously based on these above three suggest a combined model for detection and prediction of several parameters using image processing. And in fifth one, you will study the agriculture drones, then AI model for predictions of crop disease and soil conditions. And finally, you have to conduct a survey on the needs and demands of farmers. Okay, so that is the study type. Actually, you have to make a survey and present that report as a seventh one. Okay, so total 3 plus, see, these total 4 from the first category, and then any 2 from the last one. That is 6 assignments you have to submit. So again, the same books you are going to refer for this course. So this actually course is newly adopted by our department. It's a trending now. Future is very good for this because India, you know that it's a country of farmers. We say that maximum people they are in farmers category. So if we can help, then that will be better. Okay. Thank you very much.